Life looks calm. Your schedule works, people see stability, and your body stays on alert. Breath feels shallow, chest feels tight, heart feels fast, thoughts feel loud. If you know this gap, mind calm, body alarm, this video is for you. One gentle frame before we begin. Please go at your pace. Choose the smallest version of every exercise, because safety grows through tiny steps. Welcome. Hi, I'm Carsten Noack. I'm a coach and therapist supporting people with anxiety and drama, online and in Berlin. Today we focus on one core idea. Trauma healing grows through experience in the body. What trauma leaves in the body? Trauma means more than a painful event. Trauma is what remains inside after overwhelm. A survival response that stayed active. Your nervous system sensed threat, outside or inside, and moved into protective states. Fight, flight, freeze, or shutdown. These states protect life. They shape breath, muscles, heart rate, focus, digestion. When the moment carried too much intensity or support arrived too late, the system stayed overloaded. So later, months or years later, your body can react as if the threat stands right there. This shows loyalty to protection. Your system stayed awake for you, and your system can learn something new. Present-day safety felt in the body. Your inner map. The window of tolerance. Here's a simple map that helps many people. Green zone. Present, connected, flexible. Yellow zone. Tension, urgency, restless, energy, racing mind. Blue zone. Numbness, fog, distance, heaviness, disconnection. The aim feels clear. Move toward green, step by step. Progress often looks like this. Yellow softens toward green. Blue warms toward green, and green becomes easier to reach. Why insight often feels incomplete? Insight matters. Understanding patterns creates clarity, and body symptoms can continue even with deep insight. That makes sense. The nervous system learns through experience. Breath, rhythm, sensation, movement, orientation, connection. So regulation grows through lived signals of safety. Small, repeated, consistent. Think of it like building trust with a sensitive guard dog. One calm moment at a time. The two principles that change everything. First principle, small doses, repeated often. Consistency supports healing. Second principle, pendulation. A short touch of tension, and then a return to something supportive. Because this keeps the system in learning. Practical tools you can use today. Choose one tool. 2 minutes count. A friendly rhythm count. Tool number 1. Long exhale breathing. Inhale gently through your nose and exhale longer and slower. Try a count. Inhale for 4 and exhale for 6. 5 rounds. Let the exhale carry a message. Settling is welcome. Tool number 2. Orientation. Turn your head slowly. Let your eyes land on 5 neutral things. A wall, a window, a shape, a color, a piece of furniture. Now notice 3 sounds. Near or far. Now feel your feet. Orientation teaches this is now, this is here. Tool number 3. Feet grounding. Press your feet gently into the floor. Then release and press again. Release. Let the floor hold you. Let support becoming real. Tool number 4, pendulation. Choose a supportive anchor. Your feet, your hands, a warm mug, a soft blanket. And then stay with that for 10 seconds. Then touch the tension for 5 seconds. And then return to your anchor for 10 seconds. Repeat 3 times. Tool number 5, gentle movement. Roll your shoulders slowly. Open and close your hands. Sway softly. Move like you treat your body with respect. Tool number 6, humming. Inhale gently and then exhale with a soft Feel vibration in chest and face. Alarm and shutdown, 2 forms of protection. Many people recognize alarm, tight chest, fast heart, urgent thoughts. And many people recognize shutdown, numbness, fog, distance, heaviness. Both are intelligent protection. They have a good intention. For alarm, start with long exhale and grounding. For shutdown, start with warmth and orientation. Look around slowly, press feet into the floor, touch texture, warm your hands. Zip something warm. Connection returns in small steps. Here is a guided mini practice. Let's do a short practice together. Sit comfortably and place one hand on your lower belly. Feel your breath moving, the rise and the fall. Feel what you can feel. Now feel your feet, the contact with the floor. Let your exhale become a little longer. For example, inhale on 4 and exhale on 6. If tension appears, offer one kind sentence like, "Thank you for protecting me. I'm here with you." Safety grows step by step. 3 slow breaths. This is how healing builds, through experience. Let's talk about co-regulation. What is a really strong support? Regulation grows faster with safe connection. With a trusted person, try this. A short walk together. 5 slow breaths together. Quiet side-by-side sitting. Still looking around the room together. Steady presence becomes a bridge toward green. For supporters, simple phrases like, "This a really good idea. I'm here. We go step by step. Let's brace together." And if you want to, here's a simple 7-day micro routine. For the next 7 days, choose this. 2 minutes once a day with 5 rounds of long exhale breathing. 5 neutral things you see. 5 gentle presses of your feet into the floor. Because a steady rhythm supports the nervous system. Professional support. When symptoms feel intense, trauma-informed support can create strong stability. You deserve skilled guidance and a pace that honors your system. So, your body carried you through what once felt overwhelming, and that deserves respect. And the good news is that your body can learn a new rhythm through small steps repeated with kindness. Write in the comments, where does your inner alarm show up first? In the breath, the chest, stomach, sleep, thoughts? Which tool do you choose for the next 7 days? And if you want a follow-up video with a complete daily exercise routine, right exercise or whatever you're interested in, I'm Carsten Noack. We walk this path together, one steady step at a time.